Hi, I'm John, and I'm here to tell you why Clim Art custom fit mats are the right choice for you. There are no problems for the amazing Honeycomb technology of Clim Art. Even with water, just turn it over, hit it a few times, and it's fantastic. The secret is in Clim Art's unique honeycomb technology, which securely traps dust and dirt in the cell structure, which makes it for an easy cleaning. Just turn it over and tap it a few times, and there it is. They perfectly conform to the car's shape and cover the complete surface. And also for your convenience, the mats are in separate pieces for easy removal and cleaning. The Clim Art mats have fasteners that correspond to the original fasteners of the car and a no-slip mesh so you can be sure that it won't slip around on you. The driver's side mat also comes with a special pad which protects the constant usage from the pedals. These Clim Art mats are resistant to all the elements, to the rain, to the snow, to the oil, to the roadside chemicals. They really are fantastic. Oh, and there's one more cool thing. Each set of these mats comes with 2 gifts from Clim Art: license plate frames that protect the body of the car. They're soft and hard at the same time, and there will be no rattling. How cool is that? Awesome! Clim Art. Who needs standard mats? I went with Clim Art. You won't regret it. Also from Clim Art, not just your shoes and your feet will stay clean, but your cargo liner as well, with the same honeycomb structural technology. It's great for your luggage as well.